Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. The ever so wonderful Charlene Patton joining us from Topeka with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Welcome back to the show, and you've got this great recipe just in time for the 4th of July. These are some red, white, and blue meringues.
I know. A lot of times we're trying to think, what can we do that'll have kind of a patriotic recipe?
Oh, yeah.
I love this recipe. You can do it ahead of time. You can do it today, however it works out for you. So in here we have marshmallow cream, we have soy cream cheese, and whipped cream. How about that? All kinds of good things. I'm just going to mix this together, and then while I'm doing this, see that meringue in front of you?
I do.
I made those ahead of time. They're easy to do. You're going to beat 3 egg whites till they're stiff. Add some, soft, and then add some granulated sugar. You're beating them with some cream of tartar. But then you're going to take the mixture and cover your baking tray with parchment paper. Put these on a spoonful of it on your baking tray. Take your spoon and then just kind of push up the side.
Okay.
And then put them in the oven. They bake at, I believe, 250 for 50 minutes, and then turn the oven off. Don't open it. They'll set up, and you have these wonderful little desserts. Now, this recipe made 6 of them this size, but you can make smaller ones and have more of them. Then what we're going to do, now we've mixed this together, is I'm going to take a little bit of the blueberry, I've just put a little dollop in there, blueberry jelly, and a little bit of strawberry jelly.
Okay.
And we're just going to swirl that through there so that it has just a little color. And then I'm going to put that there for you, where you get that. And you are going to top that with blueberries and fresh strawberries.
Okay.
And then while you're doing that, I'm going to say what I did with this is took about, I don't know, a tablespoon of that blueberry jelly and strawberry jelly, added just a little bit of hot water to it and stirred it. So now we have it where it's going to pour. And now I'm just going to pour a little bit of that for our blue. And then here we have a little bit of the red. How fun is that?
All right, and it looks amazing too.
And so easy to make and delicious to make, because you could really do this ahead of time and serve it right before fireworks.
Yeah, make a great dessert, or even just to go right along with the fireworks.
That's right, that's right.
And of course, if folks want this recipe or any of the others we've featured, where can they go?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all of our recipes.
All right, and of course, you can find all of this as well on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. Charlene, thanks so much for coming in again with all these fantastic recipes. Really appreciate it. Truly amazing recipes every time you come down. So thank you so much. And we will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.